literally the dumbest person I've ever met. Gives me a bad vibe. Not funny.
Hello guys. Why is it so cold today? Like I don't understand why this is so. I set my alarm at 6:30 or something, but I feel like I can't. I need more sleep than that, so I just turn it off and then sleep till 7:15 and then sit in the toilet for 15 minutes. This is like really risky, but I'm gonna film the whole video with D-Lock. And if you guys wonder what we're doing today, I didn't even introduce you guys yet. Today, we're gonna go hiking. You guys probably gonna ask like, why do I wanna go hiking? And the answer is, I don't know. I swear I don't know. I just have some of a motivation that, oh, let's try something new. And I just go. And you know, it's like, I go on a freaking bus. No one is willing to drive me there. If I'm going on a bus, it takes me like almost 2 hours to get there. My outfit for today, nothing crazy. I'm gonna wear like the ugliest that I've ever wear my whole time. Hi guys, right now. Okay, I just changed my clothes. It's really comfortable though. Even though it's ugly, I know that. I'm gonna like pose. Really bad. Oh my gosh, it's 9. I'm gonna go. Hi guys. Okay, I got this. Okay, story. The thing is, I hate this 7-Eleven because there's like always some like weird people here that I don't want to fuck with. You know what is crazy? I got kicked out of the bus and it's just like weird, you know? Now I don't even know where to go. Like, what is this? I'm at the Crystal Cove State Park right now, but I don't know where's the state park. Like, is it a state park? Now I really want to find a way. Like, I really want to find a way to go down, but okay, I'm gonna turn right because I want to see where's the Pelican Point because I already know it's a historic district because I searched about it yesterday. But I really want to go like down, but how am I supposed to go down? I feel I'm going up right now. I'm not going down. I don't even know. There's literally people behind me, and I'm doing shitty things, so.
Hello. Right now I just found a seat and I'm just gonna sit here for a little bit before I go. I continue, but first I need to like take off my jacket because it's really hot right now. Where is it? I'm just gonna spray for my hands since that's the only like exposed part. I did wear like pants. What the fuck? I might study here. But I have to go for a walk, so maybe I'm just gonna stay here for a little bit. And right now, I feel like I have no space for my jacket. I don't know. I also have a beef like jerky. Like in case of emergency that I need to eat, this will always be here. Like now I'm all good. So what the fuck is this? Okay, I know what it is. Bro, I swear. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Like, this is so steep. I feel like I could roll down easily. It's like so fucking steep. I'm scared for my life. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I forgot to bring my sunglasses. Why did I remember it right now? Like, bruh. Now I'm going to like, there's like a historic district or something. I guess because do you remember that they have like two signs when you turn right you're gonna go to the Pelican Point or something, and when you like turn left you're gonna go to like the historic district or something. And now I'm going to the left right now. I am kind of confused, but I don't know. So they have like a Crystal Cove parking, and the whole park is like 2 miles away, something like half. Hi guys, quality is like really ass, but this is me editing with my Christmas tree. So why I was confused is the fact that I arrived at like the parking spot, but the problem is like I searched the Crystal Cove State Park, but there are like 3 specific destinations, just like a Morro Visitor Center, Morro Campground. So the problem is I don't even know which one is like the right one and which one has a hiking trail. So I was like, at that time I was walking right here in this park, which is close to the beach, but the problem is the hiking trail was like right here. The big hiking trail was like right here or something. So far the view is like really, really good. I did not have any complaint. I'm feeling a little bit tired, but excited at the same time. I don't feel like I don't want to do it anymore. I get stuck in the tree. Right now it's peaceful now. I hope it could be less sunny, but it's my fault because I go late. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking, and when I see something, I'm gonna tell you guys. Okay, see you. I don't even know where I'm going. I still didn't see. Okay, here's the thing. I went to like too much beach whenever I want to go out, so I really, really want to have like a different experience, which is why I'm gonna choose hiking trail. That thing's right there is the hiking trail. Okay, right now I feel like I'm in like a more peaceful like place. Why is it called private? It's getting on my nerve, like especially about like the Wi-Fi, because I do have the Wi-Fi, but for some oddly reason they just don't want to connect. Like enough, because my shoe's probably been busted into like million pieces. If my brother is watching this video, sorry. I'm not gonna go up. I'm actually gonna go up. I literally sit on like a random freaking place. I'm gonna show you. I'm like really tired, and I suddenly realized that there are like a big one, but I have to go further. I need some rest before I do something more, because it's actually getting pretty bad. I also, oh my god, I dropped jerky, but it's okay. Right now I feel like I want to go to Trader Joe's and buy some of the food, and then I'm gonna like save some. I'm gonna buy some like the snack. At first I was going like, oh, I'm gonna eat Shake Shack and then do my homework, but then I don't. I feel like I'm gonna spend the whole day traveling. Tell you that bag secure. Okay. Now first I have like a chile lime flavor fried pork rind is here, and I don't know, when I hear about like the pork rind, it looks like a thing that we have in Vietnam. Next I have like strawberry yogurt flavor with other natural flavors, and it's like it coats almond. Oh, look at that. It looks like I have to try right now. Want to be something like more fresh. Damn, this one's really good. Next, you know, when I see the coconut strip, my mind was like explode. Because what? You know, like the last vlog, like the try the camera vlog, I talk about this, and I thought it's only in like the Vietnam, but then they have it in the US. I don't know, it's the same thing. I will give it a 7. No, actually 6.5. The things that I don't like about this is the fact that it's really hard, and it's hard to chew, and it's really like hard. You see, it doesn't have like a chewy, you know, it's just hard, and it's just like kind of like powdery. Okay, so now we got like a pumpkin blonde brownies with white chocolate chips and pecans. I don't like sweet at all, but something about this, like when it come to like Trader Joe's, I don't know why, maybe at that time I was like really hungry, so that's why I kind of like pick out everything that I want. Okay, now I don't want to touch it with hands later. Not bad at all. It's like this, inside it's like kind of like this. I think that Trader Joe's does a really good job at like balancing the flavor of it. And lastly, I have like a chocolate donut hole. I never had like a donut hole. I feel like I'm not gonna try the chile lime because I don't know. It doesn't have a box thing, and for all this I can like close it, but for the chile I don't think so. I might be really subjective. I don't like. I mean, it's just like I don't like this and not like that. It's normal. I don't have any problem with it though. It's like normal, and you know what? I'm actually gonna eat this too. Okay, so it sounds like this. It smells like really good though. It's like lime. Because literally they say lime. It's normal for like a pork rind. No comment. I'm gonna give it like a 7. That's all. So the winner is this. I swear this one's like so good. I'm gonna put the camera here and the water just like splashing. And bro, at least I swear I'm so freaking lucky that it doesn't spill on my camera, because if it does, my parents won't like it. I swear, like, I eat 100 things and I literally bust in the freaking toilet. Okay, I'm gonna go work. Okay, I decide to put the color back since the gray isn't I don't know, I'm too risky to this video because like I said from the beginning, if it's not working, I'ma die. But okay, talk about this day. I feel like today's really good though. I had a good time. I didn't explore all of it. I still have like I still have two big part that I told you guys that there's like another hills for me to go hiking, but because I have to finish my book, so I'm just staying in a coffee shop for the last like 3 or 4 hours, and also because I don't have Wi-Fi, you know, like for some reason like my second phone is just, I don't know, they are not allowing me to use any more like hotspot or like data, and I was like freaking out. But at least I got like, I don't know, at least that coffee shop has Wi-Fi. Like I know the coffee shop before, but I just never have a chance to try because it's not too close to my place, so it just, I don't actually drink it that much. But the latte is actually good. I mean, it's kind of typical, but it's good. Maybe because I choose the typical one. I just like a pumpkin spice latte because I feel like, oh, like pumpkin spice, it's like fall, you know? It's like fall time. Let's go, bitches. I don't know, I'm trying to be more productive. I'm trying to wake up early, you know, and I try to sleep early too. Like that's my point, is to try to sleep early. And yes, right now it's like 10:38 and I'm trying to sleep at like 11, so right now I'm gonna go sleep. I feel like next week I'm gonna go hiking again, and I'm gonna go at that spot, and it's gonna be a good adventure, you know, because I haven't like
see that spot yet, so I need to see that spot. I need to explore more. Like there's something about that. There's something about like that beach, that stay part. It's like still mystery for me, you know. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for like watching to this minute. Like if you watch to this minute, you are an expert, because I can't understand how could you listen to me yapping all day. No, actually today I didn't yap that much, but because because I have to like do some workout, you know, like go hiking, you have to work like walk a lot. I'm gonna see you on the next video, okay? And follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my username here. Also subscribe to my YouTube, like and subscribe. So you can see like new updates, you can see like, I don't know, new videos. I'm trying really hard to like post every week, and I hope you guys can support me. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.